Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Please disregard my crazy and semi-missing eyebrows. I had my ombre brows touched up. It was time to get that done. It's been about 6 months and I had some patchy pieces I wanted to get touched up. So they are healing right now, so please disregard that. And if you follow my videos day by day, they're gonna be out of order. I'll have crazy brows in this video and not in the other because I pre-film some videos and then things come in and I want to get them out first, so I bump them up. And today I wanted to bump up the April 2019 Boxycharm box. So I'm really good about not looking at any spoilers online. They kind of spoil like the whole box or a majority of the box, and I don't like to look at any of that. So let's finally see what is in this box. So off the bat, we have a mascara by Butter London. It is the Power Up Mascara. It's kind of hard to see that on the tube because it's like metallic. This mascara retails for $20. Ooh, and we have like a rubbery mascara wand. I do like these, and it's curved. Very nice. I will be trying this because I love mascara. And then next from Bodyography, we have an eye pencil in the shade Bali Bronze. This guy retails for $14, and I have never heard of this company before. Very pretty. This is supposed to glide on and not tug. And I'm rubbing my finger all over it, and it might be fading a tiny bit, but it's not budging or smudging. And then from Artist Couture, we have Diamond Glow Powder. It is a loose powder highlighter, and this is in the shade Purple Drama. Yeah, no, Purple Dream. Okay, that was scary. It is not purple at all. It is like a golden shade. This retails for $27. Ooh, and one of the things I like about this is this has one of those turning, not lids, but like a cover. So like with it like this closed, no highlighter will come out, but then you open it up and you can get the highlighter out, close it up when you're done, and then you don't have a mess. Okay, so we have a nice gold glow there. Not bad. I thought it was going to be darker and not really good for my skin tone, but I think I could use it. It has a little bit of iridescent in it. I don't know how I feel about that, but I will try it out and see how I like it. And then next from Luxie, ooh, one of my favorite brush brands, we have a 3-piece brush set. It is the Summer Daze brush set. This retails for $28. And you are getting a small contouring brush, a large shader, and a small shader. I like this small one. Very nice. And then last from Pure, we have the Festival 12-piece pressed pigmented palette. This retails for $36. And I almost bought this online. I was eyeing it up on Ulta.com, and I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, as you all know, so I was trying to be strong and not get another palette. So I am excited that I got this palette. So this guy, super, super beautiful. These shades are so pigmented, and then we have some glitter. Let's just swatch a couple here. So we have this purple shade, super pretty, and then this pink. Ooh, that is super pigmented. And let's dip into these glitter ones. Why not? There is a gold, and then like a reddish one. Super, super pretty. I'm so excited about this palette. Yay! If you want to see a review on this palette, let me know and I will try it out for you guys. But either way, I'm probably going to be wearing this tomorrow, or maybe even playing with it a little bit today. So let me get my calculator out, see how much this box is worth. So this is $125 value not too bad, and the Boxycharm box is about 21 bucks a month, so definitely getting a good bang for your buck. Out of these 5 products, the things I'm most excited about is the mascara and this palette. There's nothing that I really don't like. Maybe the eyeliner I'm not so excited about, but I will try it because it is a super fun color. But that is it for the Boxycharm April 2019 box. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.